Hey everyone! In this video, we'll walk you through how to analyze data from a Randomized Complete Block Design, or RCBD, using SAS. Let's move to an example. Imagine you're a researcher testing 3 types of fertilizer, A, B, and C, to see which one helps your crops grow best. But here's the thing, your field has different areas that might affect the results. For example, one part might have better sunlight or soil than another. So, you divide your land into 3 blocks based on location or condition. In each block, you try all 3 fertilizers. So the layout looks like this. In Block 1, you try fertilizer A, B, and C. In Block 2, again, A, B, and C. In Block 3, again, A, B, and C. This gives you 9 total results, 3 fertilizers times 3 blocks. You record the yield from each plot. The questions you need to answer are: is there a significant difference in yield between the fertilizers? Does the block or field location have a significant effect on the yield? Finally, use Tukey's test to find out which specific fertilizers differ significantly from each other. Let's walk through the steps together and see how you can perform this in SAS. First, we enter our data using the data step. We name the dataset fertilizer_RCBD and define 3 variables. Block, representing the block number. Fertilizer, type of fertilizer, A, B, or C. Yield, the crop yield from each plot. In the dataline section, we type each observation. For example, 1A20 means in Block 1, fertilizer A gave a yield of 20. Next, we move on to the analysis using PROC GLM. The class statement tells which variables are categorical, in this case, both block and fertilizer. The model statement specifies the structure. Yield is explained by both block and fertilizer. Then, we use means fertilizer/Tukey to perform a Tukey's test for multiple comparisons, helping us see which fertilizers differ significantly. After you run the code, SAS gives you an ANOVA table showing if blocks and fertilizers have significant effects. A Tukey test output comparing the mean yields of the fertilizers. If the p-value for fertilizer is below 0.05, that means at least one fertilizer leads to a different yield. And that's how you perform an RCBD analysis in SAS. Try it yourself and experiment with your own data.